welcome to Mom I Love, and I am Shubhoshri. You can also watch us at our official website, that is www.momilove.com. So today we will discuss about the importance of extracurricular activities in our child's life. So I have got a question from a mother that what are the benefits of engaging our kids into extracurricular activities. So I thought it will be a good thing to discuss with you all. So before I begin my video, I would request you to subscribe to my channel. So the first point is fitness. What happens is most of the extracurricular activities involve some kind of physical fitness. So if you are putting your child to play football or swimming or maybe some other thing like skating and all, so whatever your child is into, they are practicing as extracurricular activity, they are going to use their physical strength to practice it. So what happens is, in this way they become fit, they keep themselves fit, because nowadays though they don't have much space to go out and to mix with children. So extracurricular activity is really a helpful thing that your child can do to keep fit. The next point is very important, that is keeping them engaged. It is not possible for a child to every time stay with their books. They cannot read for the whole day, they cannot sit with their books for the whole day. So what happens that when they are engaged in some kind of activity, they are into something when they are not studying. So what happens, sometimes we parents think that extracurricular activities are important for a child when they are very young, and by the age of 8 or 10 we uproot them from that activity and think that it is now they have much to study, they cannot continue with that. You will be most likely to relate to this if your child is a teenager. What happens that as a child cannot sit with their books for the whole day, they need something to engage with. So this extracurricular activities that give them the reason to stick to something when they are not studying. So if you have this doubt in your mind that after studying, whatever time your child has, your teenager has, he or she is contributing that time to something non-constructive. So when they are engaged into some extracurricular activities, they can engage that time into something which is creative and which they like. So never uproot your child from any kind of activity which you have put them into, and try and continue that as long as it is possible. The third point is extracurricular activity encourages focus. Have you seen that cricketers, before they have their match, they play some other game rather than cricket? This is to encourage their focus. What happens when they are continuously studying and they don't have any other constructive thing to do? They lose focus, because when you do something time and again and you don't have variation into it, that decreases your concentration. So if a child is into, or a teenager is into some other activity rather than studies, they can quickly refresh their brain, and that can help them have more attention. That also works in case of studies. The fourth point in this video is career alternative. What happened, every child in this world studies, most of them who are privileged, they study, but there are even singers and dancers and artists who have come from a rich background of education, but still they choose some other kind of sports or arts as their career alternative. So what happens if your child is focused into some kind of extracurricular activity, there is a chance that your kid, when they grow up, they decide to take it as their passion and turn it into their career. So that gives your child a two-dimensional career growth, because in one hand they have their educational background, on the other hand they have their extracurricular activity which they have mastered upon. So that was our video today. If you liked our video, please like our channel and subscribe to us. Thank you.